Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into IRCC Immigration Canada portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in IRCC login and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying sign in to your IRCC secure account. Scroll down. Here you can either sign in with your GCKey username and password or your Canadian Interact sign-in partner. If you do not have an account, simply hit register for an account, scroll down again. Here too you can register with your GCKey username and password or register with Interact. For now we're going to be tapping on the register with your GCKey username and password. Here you must tap on your preferred option, tap on sign up, hit I accept username, hit continue, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you have created your account, you can head back over and then tap on sign in with GCKey username and password, as that is what we signed up with, and then you'll have to enter your username along with your password and then hit sign in to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.